Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2010 Government Objective Past Question. Question number 37. Question number 37 says parastatals are established dash. Parastatals are established dash. Parastatals are established dash. When we talk of parastatals, means government government institutions, government institutions or organizations are established that A. Expand business transactions, B. Maximize government profits, C. Render social services, D. Enhance entrepreneurial skills. Remember what we say under question number 36, the purpose of of public of public enter enterprises. Purpose of public enterprises is to what? Is to provide social services. So, and the option C say render social services. So that is the essence of establishing government institutions, government organizations, or government parastatals. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.